today I am going to tell you how to create module and module importing in Python. I am Amit Singhal, PGT Computer Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Chandi Mandir, Kent. So first of all, before starting to create our module, we will see how the built-in module is working. This program is showing the working of the built-in module like math and random. In this, square root function is in the math module. This is the built-in function and built-in module. This is from the Python library. Now moving toward ahead, we will see how we will create user defined function. This is the user defined function sum, and in the same program we are calling it and we gave its definition here. Fine. Now next our topic is creating our modules. So this is the program. In this program we are calling function add here, diff here, div here and mul here, but these four function calls are not having function definition in the same program. Now where is it? It is in earth module. It is in earth module. Again difference is in earth module, and again add is in earth module, and we have included earth module in our program. Now as you can see from the name of this module is not a library module. We have created it. Where we have created it? Where we have created it in another file, and the name of that file is again earth, earth.py, and we are keeping this file in the same directory from where we are calling these functions. In earth module there are those functions which we are taking in our program: add, diff, and mul. In this program these four functions are returning values, nothing else. Here it is not is here it is here there is no function calling. Function calling is in our program here. So from here the function is calling, and we are imported this module in our program, and we are developed this module earth in another file. So in this way you can create any module and any function. Let we have run this program. If we are running this program, it is giving us the absolute correct answer. It is calculating these four functions. I think you understood the concept of how we can build our own modules and import in our program. Thank you.